guys, welcome to Canary Diving Top Tips Edition 2. Today we're going to be going through the body checks. Okay, so there are 5 points to our body checks, and the way we remember all 5 points is a little thing that we've made up here at Canary Diving. It goes Bruce, Willis, Ruins, all films. So the first one, Bruce, begins with a B. So we're going to be going through the BCD, or the buoyancy control device. First, we're going to check the inflate. Yep, that's working. And the deflate. Now we're also going to check the dump valve here. And the dump valve here. Perfect. And the final dump valve, the pull on the LPI. Perfect. The second one is Willis, which begins with a W, and we're going to use that as weights. Okay, so weights. I have some quick release weight pockets here. Perfect. And here. Perfect. They're containing 3 kilos in both there. Okay. We release them using the red clips and pull. Okay. The second one is Bruce Willis Ruins. So Ruins begins with an R, and R stands for releases. So I have one release here, that's all done up. I have another release here, that's all done up. And thirdly, the cummerbund here, that's done up. I also have a release here and here. Perfect. Now the last release we always forget, we need to remember this one, it's a really important one, it's the tank release. Okay, so if I turn around, here's the release here. Perfect. To that shape. All good. Perfect. So that's that one there. We have Bruce Willis Ruins. Okay, the next one's all. All is air. So the first thing we're going to do, smell the air. It smells fresh. We're going to take our SDG here. We're going to put the regulator in our mouth. Okay, good. Got it? It's all working perfectly. We're also going to check our alternate here. So we saw no movement in the needle. That means all our air is correctly turned on. And the final check is Bruce Willis Ruins all. And the final one, films. Films begins with an F, and that is the final check. So we're looking for masks and fins, computers, compasses, cutting devices, anything we can think of. Okay, so first, fins. Here's my fins. I'm going to clip them on here. I've got my mask. I'm just going to put that over my neck here. Compass, computer, cutting device, anything else you need. Well, there's our top tips for Canary diving on the body check. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, bye.